Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing you part 3 of setting up an RTA job using the adhesive template. So we've already got our artwork set up and we've got our artboard name, so now it's time to do the proofing parts. So we're going to do F1, which is going to export for screens, and we're going to first choose where this is being saved to. And so under CB orders, sometimes there's going to be a job folder set up, other times there isn't. So there currently is a job folder set up for this one, which is 14856. If there wasn't, you would copy this folder here, paste it, and then rename it, and then you would start from basically where we're starting now. So if we go to 14856, we're going to go into the work files, and we're going to hit select folder. And so we've got a PDF selected for our working file, and then we've got our proof set up as a JPEG 100, and then we go to the width, and the width is going to be 2400 pixels. And so now we're going to click Export Artboard. Okay, and so here's our working file and our proof. So now we're going to click and drag this out into, there's already one in there. You would drag it over here to choose file, and shout out to Nikki for showing me that. That's an awesome improvement. And we are going to click upload proof, and normally there wouldn't be anything in that space. So next what you're going to do is you're going to go to the product status here, hit the drop down, and awaiting proof approval. At this point we are going to hit the little mail icon there, and then in the CC field you're going to include the salesperson, which is normally right here. Since this is an internal job, it doesn't have a salesperson. If it doesn't, you could CC whoever entered the order, because they're going to know a little bit more about this project, and they could probably be the one to approve it. So once you've done that, you can go into your KPI sheet and add one for proofed out. Thanks for watching.